Hello guys. Welcome to another exciting episode of Architectural Wonders of the World. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the awe-inspiring National Stadium in Beijing, China. Known affectionately as the Bird's Nest, this magnificent structure is a testament to human creativity and engineering prowess. So, let's dive into the fascinating story behind this iconic landmark. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So, let's get started. The National Stadium stands proudly in the heart of Beijing, serving as a symbol of the city's hosting of the 2008 Summer Olympics. Designed by the Swiss architecture firm Herzog & de Meuron, in collaboration with Chinese artist Ai Weiwei, the stadium's unique appearance captures the essence of both modernity and tradition. Construction of the National Stadium began in December 2003 and was completed in March 2008, just in time for the Olympic Games. It required over 42,000 tons of steel and took nearly 5 years to finish. The meticulous design combined Western engineering expertise with Chinese architectural principles, resulting in a harmonious fusion of form and function. As we approach the stadium, its distinctive facade immediately catches our attention. The outer layer consists of a complex lattice structure resembling intertwined twigs, resembling a bird's nest, hence the nickname. This intricate web of steel beams not only provides support but also creates a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. Stepping inside, we find ourselves in a colossal space that can accommodate over 91,000 spectators. The seating arrangement follows a unique design, with the majority of seats located close to the action, ensuring an intimate experience for fans. The open roof design allows natural light to flood the stadium during the day, creating a vibrant atmosphere. The Bird's Nest is not only a marvel of architecture but also a technological wonder. The stadium boasts state-of-the-art LED screens that wrap around the entire circumference, providing spectators with an immersive visual experience. These screens can display live action, replays, and even artistic animations, enhancing the overall ambiance of the venue. Environmental sustainability was a key consideration during the construction of the National Stadium. The building incorporates various eco-friendly features, such as rainwater harvesting systems and energy-efficient lighting. Its innovative ventilation system reduces the need for air conditioning, leveraging natural airflow to maintain a comfortable environment for both athletes and spectators. Since the conclusion of the Olympics, the National Stadium has continued to host various sporting events and concerts, captivating audiences from around the world. Its lasting legacy extends beyond its physical structure, symbolizing the spirit of unity and human achievement. As we conclude our journey through the National Stadium, we're left in awe of the engineering ingenuity and artistic vision that brought this architectural marvel to life. The Bird's Nest stands as a testament to China's commitment to pushing boundaries and embracing the future. This is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up and share this video. And let us know your opinions on the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful videos. Join us next time as we explore another extraordinary architectural wonder. Until then, keep discovering the world's hidden treasures. Thank you for watching.